Hello, everybody, and welcome to our first lesson. Let's get right into it. Naturally, we have to start at the beginning. So, what exactly is a sales funnel? I'm sure many of you are familiar with funnels, but in case you're not, think of it as a pathway that guides your potential customers from their initial interaction with your business to making a purchase. Meaning, you lead your audience through a series of steps, gradually building a relationship and trust along the way while educating them to get to take action. Most of the time, your ideal client won't be ready to take the leap from point A to point B right off the bat. So it's important that you prepare a clear path to get them where they need to go. So, to really grasp what's going on in your funnel, let's break down the three different stages of a sales funnel. So, a typical funnel consists of this structure that you're seeing right now on the screen, or you should be seeing on the screen. Their names sound kind of funny, but trust me, it's useful to have them in mind when creating your funnels. You will also notice that this funnel structure aligns with a very popular acronym that we use in marketing. You might be familiar with it, or maybe you've heard it before, which is AIDA or IDA. And I'll break it down as we go through the three stages. So, the first one is the tofu stage or top of the funnel. This is the widest part of the funnel and it acts as your business's grand entrance. This is where you greet people, this is where you showcase what your business is about, what your product is about. And then the goal for this part of the funnel, it's basically to put you on the map. So get people to know you exist, show them the problem you can help solve and how your solution is uniquely fitted to their needs. So basically, the ultimate goal here is create awareness, and that's what the A stands for, the awareness of the problem your customers have, awareness of your existence, awareness that you're there to provide solutions. And in order to do that properly, you need to make sure to develop positive relationships with your buyers through various activities, such as getting them to join your email list, sharing your story to make yourself, more relatable as a human and let them know that you were once in their shoes, or maybe offering free trials or free tiers of your products and services. Then we get to the MOFU or middle of the funnel. This is the place where your funnel starts to narrow down a little bit. So, potential customers who don't have the problem you solve, they will drop out. They'll be like, nope, this one is not for me. While those who stay in your funnel will continue to consume your content to help them decide if what you're offering is the right solution for them. So, in this part, you need to provide people with a lot of value by giving them the next logical steps to solve their problem. So, in other words, this is where your potential clients are showing more interest in what you're offering. They might be researching, comparing other options, seeking more information. Think of it this way. So, you've now got their attention. And now it's time to start the actual selling process. So, you need to showcase your product or service paired with maybe social proof, with actual results, with data, pricing, maybe guarantees. And this will also eliminate any leads who are not ready to buy your offers. And finally, we get to BOFU or bottom of the funnel. This is the narrowest part of the funnel. So here's where your audience is really given the chance to make a decision, to take action by opting into your offer. The bottom of the funnel is where conversions actually happen. This is where your potential customers will make a purchase. They will either sign up or get in touch with you or whatever it is that you're asking them to do. So, yes, in theory, all you have to do here in this stage is push your qualified leads onto your checkout pages, and then that will generate a sale. But as a business that runs thousands of funnels every year, we know that this is easier said than done. That's why our platform equips you with the tools you need to really position your offer as a prime candidate for your prospects. We really give you everything you need so that your clients actually check out. So, this stage is all about the ultimate reassurance. You could offer bundle deals, discounts, coupon codes, an FAQ section, videos, upsells, downsells, and all of the elements and marketing techniques so that you can convert as much as possible. Now, you might be wondering, how is a sales funnel different from a traditional website? This is a question that we get a lot. So, a traditional website typically offers a wide range of information, products, services all at once. So, visitors can explore various sections in no particular order. In contrast, a sales funnel is highly focused, so it gives visitors a specific journey with a clear objective. It is designed to minimize distractions and to lead your potential customers towards the final action. As we move forward in the certification program, we'll explore each of these elements in depth and we'll get into the specific pages, elements, and strategies used in every stage of the funnel. So remember to share your progress in social media, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.